Okay, student, how do you do? Let us use informatics specific exit exam multiple choice question strategies on computer based testing. So, as we have to know, and continuing from the previous session, we have taken health informatics exit exam focuses on Ethiopian Ministry of Health harmonized curriculum that is used in higher education. Those deliver health informatics degree program. Let us make a focus on health data analytics project management and the ethics courses and see how to effectively use understanding concepts in the question, distractors in the choices, and how to eliminate them, and how to early identify or finally identify the question answers. So, blueprint focus for health informatics most of the time we use competency-based assessment. There is an integration of data, systems, and ethics. There is also a scenario-based multiple choice questions. So higher weight is on applied problem solving skills are currently expected. As a tactic one, let us see how we use keyword identifications in a question stream. For example, a look for terms like incidence, prevalence, risk, and stakeholders. Then identify a directive words like best, first, and the most in question stream. After identifying this, they can directly guide us to a correct answer. So, for example, we can apply these techniques on health data analytic course. For example, let us see this question stream. Which measure best describes new cases of diarrhea in a population over time? It says. So, uh, the first thing I have to know is keyword identification. Here, the keyword is a new case, a new case, a new case. The directive is best. Then I have to have this two and link them with time dimension. Then this clearly brings me to incidence. So the correct answer is B, incidence. How we can use elimination techniques. So yeah, elimination technique is removing irrelevant or extreme options in the choices. So we have to compare remaining answers systematically and finally reach on correct answer. So for example, let us see this with project management course and the question STEAM says, which is not a project constraint. Project constraint. Then I have to scan my knowledge, what I have learned, and think of the constraint. So the choices given are scope, time, cost, and the motivation. So scanning through my partial knowledge about project constraint, I can eliminate A, B, C by focusing on standard constraints and conclude that my answer is D. The other tactic three is scenario analysis. So this means focus on case-based questions. We have to extract problem, data, and require. So, for example, in health data analytics, the question says, a data set shows missing patient records. What is the best action? What is the best action? So there is a missing patient record, and what needed is the best action. The best action. So the choices are ignore missing value, delete all data, apply amputation, stop analysis. So strategically realistic solution